Welcome to today's update. In the past few weeks, BTC has really been the one stealing all the spotlight. While if you take a look at ETH and major altcoins like Solana and XRP, we have been in this depressed sideways price action, but something is about to change here on the price chart, which is why I'm currently making this video right now to inform you what we should look into and what is going to change that is going to give us a proper rally from major altcoins here on the entire crypto market. Just make sure you watch this video to the end. Taking a look at ETH here on the weekly time frame, we are still holding firmly above this major level of support right here, and as long as we keep holding firmly above this bullish trend line, we are looking absolutely solid for the long term. Now, what I'm expecting from the price here on the weekly time frame, I want the weekly candle to get a major rally that is going to break and close above this major level of resistance here that is currently sitting at the $2,788, which is approximately $2,800. A weekly candle closing above the $2,800 level is going to change the entire price structure of ETH from this bearish sentiment into a bullish sentiment, and with this we are definitely going to see a lot of other altcoins like XRP and Solana rallying into much more higher prices. So ETH on the weekly time frame here is absolutely still solid. Nothing bad here is currently happening. So what we need to do, like I said, is to break above this major level of resistance here, and from here we can easily text other major level of resistance sitting at the $3,381 level, and from here we can easily set eyes on the $4,000 level. This can only be invalidated if we see a weekly candle coming down to this trend line, which is currently sitting at the $1,800 level and closing above the trend line. If we get a weekly candle to close above this trend line here at this level, this is going to invalidate this entire long-term bullish structure here on the weekly time frame of ETH. So let's just pray that ETH should hold firmly above this level so that we can easily break out of this bearish sentiment right here on the weekly time frame. And shifting our focus to the daily time frame, ETH on the daily time frame is still looking absolutely solid, just that we have been in this depressed bear flag pattern here on the daily time frame, and the last time we got a break below the support of the bear flag, what we saw was a major drop down of about 42% here on the daily time frame. Now what I'm expecting from the price, just like what we are doing right now, hold above this major level of support right here, sitting at the $2,200 level to $2,100 level. Now if we can hold firmly above this level right here, this is going to prevent us from having a break below the bear flag support level here, and this is going to invalidate a bearish move just like what we saw back in January. Now if we also take a look at the price chart, right, you will also notice that we have been in this long-term depressed or descending channel here since August 2025. Now if you take a look at the price right now, we are attempting a breakout here at this level, and if ETH can get a daily candle, a massive daily candle with good amount of volume to break above this level of resistance, then hold firmly above it, I think this is going to let us to see a higher price of the $2,600 level, and a break above the $2,600 level. This is going to put us into the $2,800 level of the weekly time frame. So right now ETH on the daily time frame is looking absolutely solid. Like what I just said, what we need to do here is to hold firmly above this level of support right here, sitting at the $2,200 level to the $2,100 level. A hold above this level is going to give us a strength to push above this major trend line. Now the only way this can be invalidated is when we see a break below this level right here, and also if we see a break to this level and a massive rejection from the bear flag resistance right here, then down back to this level. So right now ETH is looking absolutely solid as long as we hold firmly above the $2,200 level to $2,100 level, and also if we can break above this depressed descending channel here with a good amount of volume. So this is it on the ETH price chart, but if we should break below the bear flag pattern, it's pretty clear that the next level of support right here is sitting at the $1,800 level, and if we fail to hold above the $800 level, then we should be looking at another major level of support here, sitting at the $1,500 level to this level here, the $1,400 level here on the daily time frame. So right now ETH is looking absolutely solid. I will say we are at the brink of a decision making. So the decision that we are going to take right now is going to influence the entire altcoin market and also the entire crypto market. So this is it here on the ETH price chart. Now if you take a look at the Solana price chart, like I said on the intro, Solana on the daily time from here since February, we have been in this huge level of consolidation here, and I think very soon we are going to get a proper decision that is going to take us out of this depressed price actions. But for now, we are still sitting firmly above an important level of support here, sitting at the $77 level to the $75 level. As long as we hold firmly above this major level of support right here, we are looking good for the short term. And what we need to do now, since we are holding firmly above this level, is a major break that is going to take us from this bearish channel here to test this next major level of resistance here, sitting at the $122 to $128 here on the daily time frame. If you also take a look at the entire price structure, you will see that we are currently sitting in this bear flag pattern, because back here in January we also saw a break below the support of the bear flag, which gave us a major drop down of about 44% here on the daily time frame. So if we are to get a breakdown now from this channel, I think we should be looking at much more lower time frame here on the daily time frame. But as long as we keep holding above the $77 level to the $75 level here on the daily time frame, we are looking absolutely solid. What I want to see is a break from this bearish price action here, which is going to push us to this major high here at the $100 level, and a hold above the $100 level is going to put us back to this level of resistance, sitting at the $122 level to the $128 level, and a break above the $122 level is going to give us the strength and the option to test the $155 level. From there we can easily flip to the $200 level to the $190 level. So right now Solana is looking absolutely a little bit of weak here on the daily time frame, but what I'm currently expecting right now, if we should see a breakout from ETH, just like what I just explained on the daily time frame, I think this is going to give major altcoins like this Solana price chart right here the strength and also a reason to have a proper rally here on the daily time frame to push much more higher from this level of depressed price action here. So this is it here on the Solana price chart. The levels we need to look at right now, just what I just explained, is the $77 level to the $75 level here on the daily time frame, and a break below this level here is going to put Solana back to this major level of support right there, sitting at the $52 level, which was last seen back in November 2023, and also a break below the $53 level is going to push us back to the bear market of 2022 lows. So this is what we currently have here on the Solana price chart. Now if we shift our focus to the XRP price chart, XRP price chart is still looking absolutely boring, because looking at the price chart right now, we are still within this depressed raging price action since February. Since February we have been in this range, and I'm not seeing any sign of proper breakout soon. But what I want to see from the price chart is to firmly break above this level of resistance right there, which is the $1.56. A break above the $1.56 and also a hold above it is going to give us the option to test this next level of resistance. They're sitting at the $1.80 to the $2 level here on the daily time frame. But if we fail to hold firmly above this level of support right now, which is currently sitting at this major level, which is $1.40 to $1.30, we are going to test the lows of February, which is currently sitting at $1.12, and a break below the $1.12. This is going to put XRP back to much more lower prices, which is currently sitting at the 50-cent level here on the daily time frame. So XRP here is looking absolutely weak. We're at a point of decision. So the right decision here is going to give us a proper and a good price on the price chart, but the wrong decision is going to take us back to this major low here, which was last seen back in November 2024. So this is it here on the XRP price chart. If you take a look at the stablecoin dominance right now, looking at the daily time frame, we have been on this bullish trend line right here since October 2025, and we have been bouncing up from the trend line whenever we touched it. Here it was tested back in April 17th, and we got a little bit of bounce. Right now we also got a touch at this level April 25th, and also we saw a bounce. Right now, if you take a look at the price, we are yet again getting a retest of the line. Now, what I want to see from the stablecoin dominance, I want to see a daily candle, a giant daily candle with a good volume to break below the structure, then sit below it. From there, we can easily take another low price, just sitting at the 6.6% level here on the stablecoin dominance. And in so doing, we are definitely going to see a proper rally from major altcoins like Solana XRP and ETH. But if we see the stablecoin dominance right now holding firmly above this level and getting a bounce from here, and in fact breaking above this level of resistance here, this is going to put the entire altcoin market, which is ETH, Solana and others, into much more lower prices. So one of the major price chart here that I'm currently looking at right now, like I said, is the stablecoin dominance. So this is what I currently have concerning the entire crypto market. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to continue to watch this kind of content on YouTube, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel right here, turn on the notification bell, so that next time when I make a video just like this, you will definitely be notified. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.